The way she came into the place, I knew right then and there. There was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stalked the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every hand turned, feeling passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. The girl was bad, the girl was dangerous.
One thing in life you must understand. The truth of lust woman demands. So open the door and you'll see. Through all her secrets, make you move, set me free. I never knew when I was wanted for life. Come home with me, I said I had no time. And don't you listen, we didn't talk on the phone. I made it right, yeah, after standing alone. It's so dangerous. Forget it, so dangerous. Didn't away my money, stole away my time. You can call me honey, but you know damn if I'm dangerous. Forget it, so dangerous. I haven't really got it, but I know my love is mine. It's bad enough, so but you know damn love affects your mind. Open the door and you'll see. This passion burns inside me. Don't speak to me, you never tell. Touch me there, make the move, cast the spell.
Jedan dio je ispao, Gorane, tu, ali nije važno to je dangerous.
Da, mislili smo da će eksplodirao na kraju. Dobro.
Dakle, fenomenalno i Michael Jackson, alias Goran
Filipović.
Filipović.